Good afternoon folks, Brian from the Northeast Outdoors channel here. I'm at a lake which is not too far from my home, maybe 45 minutes drive, and I've come looking for kingfishers. I haven't seen any yet, but I'm always hopeful. I've been here for about an hour so far, I haven't spotted any. Well, it's 3:30 PM. I've been here an hour and a half. Still no kingfishers. Heard some popping sounds in the water, just in that reed bank in front of me over there. And at first I thought it might have been a kingfisher, just dropping into the water. But I've listened to it for a little while now, and it's come to the conclusion that it's only carp sucking stuff off the reeds. There's one right down there in front of me now, just messing about. A big one just through there, moving the reeds around and making all sorts of noise. There's one just down in there, and near that log. They come right in on their sides, right into the reeds. Anyway, I'm not going to waste any more time. I'm going to just move along the bank here a little bit and see if I can't see something else to shoot. Might as well make the most of my time here. Well, you wouldn't believe it. No sooner had I packed up my gear, the kingfisher went whizzing past me. He didn't stop, he just kept going. I'll keep my camera out, but I won't put it on the tripod, and I might just sneak down the bank again and have a look and see if I can see him. But isn't it always the way? Anyway, I'll catch up with you later. Well, I came to shoot some kingfishers with my camera. I didn't see a single kingfisher, and then once I'd packed all my stuff away, one flew past. Couldn't believe it, but anyway, that's the way things happen. I didn't waste my time though. I tried to shoot some pictures of other birds, which I'll post in this video somewhere. Anyway, I hope you liked the video, and if you want to, please subscribe and share this video with your friends. All the best, and thanks for watching.